Here's a question regarding trusts, and it asks, once you put your money into a trust, does 5 years need to pass so Medicaid can't claim it? And the answer is, as all good legal answers start out with, it depends. Depends on the type of trust that you have drafted. There are many different types of trust. 98% of trusts in this country are just traditional revocable living trusts. These are great for probate avoidance. They do not do anything for asset protection or Medicaid avoidance. So I often have families come into my office, mom's in the nursing home, and they say, oh, thank God, mom's had a trust for more than 5 years, so we're good. And I look at the trust, and it's a revocable trust, and a revocable trust provides zero asset or Medicaid protection. So I say, I appreciate the fact that mom has a trust and it's more than 5 years old, but it's the wrong type of trust to do what you are thinking it just did. So in many states, you must, I say must, you really, really should draft an irrevocable Medicaid asset protection trust while you're young and healthy, and then hope you slide through 5 years without slipping on the banana peel and needing Medicaid. And if you do, then that works really well. And if you don't, you're kind of screwed. Here in Florida, we're a lot more flexible. In a perfect world, people would still do Medicaid asset protection trusts, certainly if you have over $500,000 to $1 million in assets. But oftentimes people don't want to spend the extra money, and so they just let it slide. The good news is here in Florida, I can protect money on the fly without the 5-year analysis that many other states are more stringent on. So the 5-year analysis, or the 5-year look back period, to be clear, is a Medicaid federal rule. And so it is technically applicable in every single state. But since Medicaid is a federal program administered at the state level, every state gets to apply its little bells and whistles and make things more difficult or more relaxed. Florida obviously has made them more relaxed. So many of our strategies that we use on a daily basis avoid the 5-year look back period, and therefore we don't need the 5-year trusts as much as some folks in other states. So I hope this helps. The devil is always in the details. If you have a trust and you think that it might be working for the Medicaid 5-year look back period, make sure that you speak to a qualified elder law attorney in your area to make sure you have what you think you have. Have a great day.